Right guys, Tony from Resin Rock here, and I'm here with Jeff from Baja Services. We've done an installation here with some Resin Rock at the KOLD News 13 in Arizona. How did you find it yesterday, mate?
It was an amazing product, right? We know that, we know it's strong, we know it's durable, but what we love, it was a 600 square foot job that in the 110 heat, our guys were able to get done in under 6 hours.
Yeah, and there was no struggle. So with the product itself, you've got plenty of time to install. You're not rushing around because of the heat. So did you find that yesterday as well?
Yes, that was great. And great as an owner, I want to be able to put a surface down quick so the customer sees it happen. But at the same time, the crew loves having a product that we can get down, we can make look perfect in a really short amount of time.
And as you can see behind us, guys, there is the logo right in the middle.
Yeah, the logo turned out great, right? Being able to do different colors to really emphasize a customer's brand, logo, anything like that.
That's the biggest thing.
It's awesome.
And you think we've done this all in one day, guys, like Jeff was saying. 6 hours, you've done a full 600 square foot install with a logo with 2 colours inside. So for you contractors, you've got massive opportunities for this. With the Resin Rock itself, it's actually the lowest setup costs and the highest ROIs. So if you are interested in training in Tucson, Arizona, let us know. We have rubber and rock training, one special course, everything provided. So you leave us with all the equipment, all the training needed, all the marketing materials to set up on your own, haven't we?
Yeah, we're excited about it.
So you can become an approved installer for rock and rubber, and then you leave us with everything needed. So if you are interested, drop us an email, info@resinrockllc.com, or drop us a DM and we'll get you set up.